Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to record videos using a screenflow. So the first thing obviously is to start a screenflow. I have a screenflow already installed, and right now I have an external monitor attached. So in this case it will ask me which monitor I want to record. So I want to record this monitor, and if you have external audio recording devices installed, then it will also ask for which where you want the audio to be from. So right now I have only the only option I have is built-in microphone, but later at the end of the video I will show you should also get Yeti microphone, and in that case if you plug that microphone then it will give you an option and you should select that. So right now let's get started. you I will click on this red button, and then it will start recording. It is counting backward, and the ScreenFlow has started recording. So now that the ScreenFlow has started recording, you can do the things that you want to record. For example, here I can show my blog engine, which has been built using Jekyll. And let's look at the README, and this is the command that I need to execute. So I go to terminal, start the command, and it will generate, and all those things will work. Now I will make a mistake, and I will show you later how to edit it. So many times when I'm recording I will say So let's stop the recording now and see how to edit those things. So stop the recording. So when you stop the recording, you will get a panel something similar to this. So what you can do is that you can play a recording. ScreenFlow has started recording. So now that the ScreenFlow has started recording, you can do the things that you want to record. For example, okay, and you can stretch. Let's say you want to skip certain parts. So this is your control. You can move it up and down, and you can start playing from any. I'm recording, I will say and this is the control to let's say that you want to go deeper into a section and you want to watch it more minutely for editing purpose, then you can use this zoom in or zoom out feature, which is what we will use right now to edit the section about and So let's start from here. Okay, so I need to go back a little bit because I want to edit that section. I will say so okay, so let's go a little bit more, zoom in and start from here. When I'm recording I will say so many times. So I want to start from so many times, I want to cut it. How to edit it. So let's start from here. So edit it. So edit it. So from starting this point I want to cut it, so I will click on this red flag, and now you can see the separation. So many times when I'm recording I will say so I want to just have the things starting from so I want to cut it just at this point. So now if you do like this, you can see that this is a section that you want to delete. So select using shift these two sections, then cut, and now you can, using shift, you can select these two and just drag them forward. Now let's listen to what it sounds. Later how to edit it. So let's stop the recording now. So see, the part has been edited and it has a very smooth transition. Now, and see how to edit those things. One thing that I want to show you also, sometimes let's say you made a mistake, so you want to put some text. So that's very easy. You can just see text and you can say add. So let me put my cursor here and I will say add text, and then this text thing appears, and the URL of the GitHub repository has moved to github.com/. So something like that. You can put this text, you can change the text's color, size, and all those things. But now what will happen when you start playing from here, and it will generate and all those things will work. Now, I will make a mistake, and I will show you later how to. So now you can see that the text appears. So those kind of things you can do. Also, there are tons of animations you can do, which I will not go over because I hardly use them. But once in a while, I do use text because while recording, I said something which is incorrect. Then rather than re-recording the whole video, I correct it through the text. And one last thing I want to show you is that at the very end of the video, I put a big binary logo. So let me show you how I do that. So this is the very end, and at the end I click on the media section here, add media, and I will go to Dropbox. I have a folder called Quick. Within Quick I have the binary logo. I just put the whole logo. Okay, and then drag the logo to the main screen, and you click on it, and then you're gonna stretch it all the way to the top and stretch it all the way to the bottom. Stretch it here. Okay, so now that I have this thing, I can, now let's see how it looks. So let's stop the recording now and see how to edit those things. So I will cut it from here at the very end. These parts are not needed, just cut. And let's go to the beginning. And now the time is to send it to the Vimeo. But before that, you see in the recording, I'm seeing the top part, little bit of the top part over there, little bit of the bottom part here. So that can be taken care of by clicking here, because by default in ScreenFlow you record the whole screen, and then what you can do is you can just drag it a little bit up and then drag this screen a little bit to the down. So that's it. So now only that part will be cropped, and only that part will be available in the video. So this is a nice way of, you don't have to clean up your screen. You can leave it. You should record the whole screen and then later control the area that you want to go to the video. Then you hit apply, and now I just need to do file, publish to Vimeo. And then I already have put up my Vimeo credentials, so I do here how to record videos using ScreenFlow. Private, publish it. This will take, depending on the length of the video, anywhere between 2 minutes to 20 minutes. But at the end of the whole process, the video would have been uploaded to Vimeo and it would have been ready in Vimeo. So that's it. One last thing I want to, while the video is being processed, I want to talk about is, if you're doing a lot of screencasts where you have to do a lot of things on the terminal, then if you listen to the video, anytime you type, it has a special noise, and those sounds are not very good. So how to mitigate that noise? The reason why those noises are so sharp is because we are doing built-in microphone, and built-in microphone picks up when you press the keys A, B, C, D, E. Even if you try to press them very gently, they are still very loud. So the way I get around to those problems is by using a Blue microphone, Yeti USB microphone. This microphone is available right now for 96 bucks, and there are other microphones available in the market. You can try it out, but this is what I have. And if you use it, I have seen people use it but not use very effectively. If you use it, then at the back of this microphone there is a setting pattern, and you want to set it to this pattern, the one which has a shape like this. They have the instruction manual also, you can read. They call this the cardioid mode. And the cardioid mode is important because, as the documentation says, When recording in cardioid, sound directly in front of the microphone is picked up, while the sound at the rear and sides of the microphone is not picked up. So when you are speaking in this microphone and while you are typing on the keyboard, any of the noises created by the keyboard is not picked up, which is what you want. So that's why this mode is important. If you switch to other modes, they have something like omni presence and other modes available, which might be useful when five people are speaking around the table and you want to record the voice. For in this case, you want this. Uh, that's it for now. Thank you very much.